Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to connect this Samsung 10E with my 35-inch display. I have external display, I have a keyboard and mouse. I'm going to use this OKX USB-C type hub, or also called USB-C docking station 15 and 2, which means you can have a 2 host and 15 output. We have a USB-C power adapter. We have a dual USB-C input, Ethernet, HDMI, DPI. We have a 4 USB this side, 2 USB 3, 2 USB 2.0. We have a 2 USB 3 back side and USB-C output and audio jack. So I'm going to use this one to connect everything to my display and my Samsung 10E phone. This one, when you buy, it doesn't come with the power adapter. It just comes with the dual USB-C and single USB-C cable. For Samsung, we need to use only single USB cable. Which one is this one? If you are going to use with the MacBook or something, then you need like this dual USB cable. I have a other detailed video how to connect with the MacBook this OKX and how we have a open box and everything. I will leave a link in description so you can watch there. But in this video, I'm going to connect with my Samsung E phone. So let's start. First, I have my MacBook power charger adapter on the wall, and this side I'm going to connect here. It says power. We connect it, and we have a light here, so that means it's on. I'm also going to connect my transmitter for my wireless keyboard and mouse. I will connect here somewhere, and I have a HDMI cable coming back from my LCD. This one is a 4K 35-inch LCD monitor, and now I have this cable. I'm going to connect on one of the host place where it says host 1 or 2. The other side I will connect to my Samsung E. Start charging. That means it's telling you it's already connected. Just wait for a little bit. I'm going to open lock. So here we go. My Samsung phone already get connected with the display. We can do multiple way. You can just slide from the top. You will see here this one. You see the touchpad. You can use this touchpad as a mouse, as you can see on the screen if I'm touching here, or I have a connected with this one already, and I can use my keyboard and a mouse. So my keyboard and a mouse, let's see, start working. You can use it almost about like as your computer. You have all the images, videos, camera, document, download. You can connect your cell phone with the 35-inch or whatever external display. So here we go. That's my Samsung. If I disconnect, the display goes back. Let's connect it back again. We'll start charging. And you can see it will take a couple seconds and display will appear over there. Here we go. That's the way you can connect any cell phone device. Have a USB-C output with this kind of USB-C docking station. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll do your next video with a new topic.